All right, guys, so you have done your plan, you have done your first draft, and now your first draft is ready for you to edit. So this should be in your journal, but if not, you could pause the video and just leave this up. You're going to go through and you're going to check your writing and say, okay, did I capitalize the beginning of all my sentences? Did I capitalize any names, any places, any titles of books or things like that? Months? Did I capitalize all my letter I's by themselves? Okay, go through and check. You could even do it in purple if you wanted, okay, or whatever color you did yours. Then you're going to make sure all your nouns and verbs, your subjects and predicates sound okay together. It helps to read it out loud. Even if nobody's there to listen to you read it, just reading it out loud always helps me. Then you're going to check for your punctuation. Does every sentence have a punctuation? I'm not going to be picky on your commas because we haven't specifically talked about them, but every single sentence needs to be a complete sentence with a capital and a period. I will count off on those. Now, spelling, okay? I won't count off if you're missing just a couple of things, but I still want you, if you're unsure of it, look it up in a dictionary, okay? Go and check, make sure, especially some of those bigger words and things like that, that you spelled them correctly, all right? Even, I know when you go to type it, it'll spell check it for you, which is helpful, but I want you to practice using your dictionary.